Hello and welcome to another episode of Kaiju Kids. Today we have Super Mario Bros. 2 Reznor building set. This is made by Knex, and this has little pieces we can put together, a little spring trap, and the Reznor Triceratops. And he spits little balls out, because in the video game he shoots fireballs. So let's go ahead and open him up and see what he's like. So inside, we've got the instruction booklet, shows all the pieces that came with it, and how to put together, and then all the parts. So let's go ahead and check it all out. First, we've got a gold Tanuki Mario. A Tanuki is sort of like a squirrel in Japan. So there's Mario, he's got his little ears. And then once we put this on there, he's got a tail. And there we go, Tanuki Suit Mario. Actually, this is just Raccoon Tail Mario, because Tanuki would have the whole body. So let's go ahead and sit him down over here. We'll open up the rest. Now this is why we wanted this, was for Reznor. So he's got his little fireball, and the head just snaps on. There he is. Oh, almost. Oh, not all the way on yet. There we go. Oh no, his head popped off. Let's try it again. There we go. The head can come off. You just pop it open all the way. Put the fireball inside. Oh, and then he spits it out. Just like that. Alright, got him loaded up. Go ahead and put him next to Mario. Alright. And here, it's like Mario's got jumping legs. So we'll put that in the side because we'll use that later. And let's go ahead and open up all the parts. It's always good to use the directions. Okay, got a lot of pieces here. Over 80 pieces, I think. So first, we need these red pieces. 4 of those. And then 4 green pieces. And those just slide in like that. We'll actually need 8 green pieces total, because each red piece will get 2. What's cool about these is after you're done, you can still build your own ideas. That's why we love construction toys. So boys and girls can be creative and come up with their own concepts. So there's that. And then in the middle, we've got this white piece. You just lock it in there like that. Alright. So there's the first part. Then we'll be building with this piece. So with this piece, we need more red pieces. So 4 more red pieces. So there we go. 4 more red pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we use these white pieces, these white pegs. And they'll just go through here. We just lock that on. Alright, there we go. It's gonna be a little bendy. So we'll put that to the side. Next, we need a bunch of these purple pieces. Alright, now we have everything built. Let's go ahead and move all this stuff out of the way. And here we have a few extra pieces. Go ahead and let's look up a little bit so we can see the whole thing. Got a little spring here for Mario. Got a stand for Reznor where he guards the coin. And I think the goal of this is to try to jump over him and get that coin. So we've got Mario with his normal legs. We just pop that off. And we put on the new bottom. It's got a weight inside. You can kind of roll around. And you see his little jumping pose. And we just put that in here. And then he jumps. Oh, he knocked Reznor over. Let's try that again. Reznor's head's kind of heavy. Move these in a way to where they get his legs. There we go. And we got a few extra pieces. The fireballs. Let's try it again. Get Mario in there. And And he jumped right over it. All right, let's try one more time. Oh, he just fell right over. You'll never do it, Mario. Oh, I will do it. It's Mario. Oh, but he knocked over Reznor. And he's got the coin. Hooray! All right. Well, this is a neat little set. We've got the fire-spitting Reznor, the jumping Mario with the special jumping legs, and he's got his regular legs with the squirrel tail. And there's a little hole back here where you can also put the squirrel tail. This is a really neat set, even if it's just to have him to put on the shelf. He's really cool. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Kaiju Kid videos. So we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Like and subscribe.